Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Modin for scalable Pandas on AWS, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by ensuring you have an AWS account created and ready for use. Log into the AWS Management Console. Navigate to the EC2 section to launch a new instance. Select an appropriate Amazon Machine Image, or AMI, based on your needs. Choose a suitable instance type with enough computational power for your tasks. Configure the instance details according to your requirements. Add storage as needed, ensuring you have enough disk space. Create or select a security group to manage inbound and outbound traffic. Launch the instance and note the public IP address for later access. Once your instance is running, connect to it using SSH. Update the package manager by running the command sudo apt update. Install Python and pip if they are not already installed. Use the command sudo apt install python 3 pip to install. Next, install Modin by running pip install Modin ray in the terminal. This will install Modin along with its necessary dependencies. To utilize Modin, you will also need to install ray. Run the command pip install ray to install ray. Now that Modin and ray are installed, it's time to create a simple Python script. In your preferred code editor, create a new Python file. Import Modin by adding import modin.pandas as PD at the top of your script. Prepare a sample data frame to test the installation. Use the command df equals pd data frame, column 1, 1, 2, column 2, 3, 4, to create the data frame. You can now perform basic operations on this data frame using Modin's API. Run the script to verify that Modin is functioning as expected. If no errors occur, you have successfully installed Modin for scalable Pandas on AWS. For further performance improvement, consider configuring Ray's cluster settings. Refer to the Modin and Ray documentation for advanced configurations. This will allow you to optimize the system according to your workload. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.